You want to learn how to create a business brand logo with AI for free? In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So for this purpose, we are going to use ideogram.ai. You can head over here by clicking the link in the description. Now, once you're here, under the what will you create, click on this box. And here you need to describe what you want. So I'm going to type in create a business logo for, and instead of the star, you can enter your brand name. So I can enter Urban Rise or whatever your brand name is, you can type in here. Now below it, you will find that we have clicked auto. We don't need to click auto. We'll click on design. We need a design. If you want a 3D one, you can click on this. And all these are available. But we are going to click on design for this one. And now on the right hand side, you'll find magic prompt. Leave it as it is. The aspect ratio is one thing you can change if you want. You can change it to 9:16 or 16:9. If you click on this, it will give you a drop down. So you can select the resolution, and you can also do a custom resolution from here. So I'm just going to select the aspect ratio 1:1, and then down here you will see that it uses 2 credits. And next to it we've got generate. Click on it, and this is going to generate our logo, and it's currently in queue. If you don't want to wait in the slow queue, you can skip the wait by upgrading your plan. These are the pricing plans, but the free version is more than enough if you're making one logo. Every day you can create up to 40 images. Now on the top bar, you'll find this My Images. Click it, and then you'll find that the generation is in queue. Okay, our generation has been done. Now you can select any one of these. If you do not like any of these, you can regenerate it again. This says wait 130 seconds. So you need to wait every time you create these images. So once the wait time is done, you will be able to regenerate these images again. So I'm going to choose the second option. I like this. And inside it, you will find on the right hand side, you will see these 3 dots. Click it and it will give you a drop down. In here, you will find this download button. If you hover on it, you will have these options. I'm just going to click on the JPEG. And it's going to download that to your computer. Now the next part, we need to convert this PNG to SVG and vectorize it. So we're going to go over to this. This is Adobe Express. I'm going to put the link in the description so you can check it out. So now here, click on this upload your photo button, and it's going to redirect us to this page where it says to drag and drop that image. I'm going to go to my download section and drag this image, drop it here. Now it's going to vectorize the image for us. And here you go, the image has been converted into vector. Now next to it, on the right side, you will find that your SVG is ready to download. Under it, you've got this download button. Click it and it's going to download the SVG to your computer. Now let's open it up. Let's open in our Chrome browser. And here it is. Now if I try to scroll in and out of this SVG file, you can see that the file does not have any blur. With a PNG, you would see that it starts getting blurry. This is one reason why we need to convert a PNG file to an SVG. Now you can edit this SVG file inside either Inkscape or Adobe Illustrator. So this is how you can create a business brand logo for free with AI. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.